So for this pear martini, you're going to need absolute pears, your pear puree, which I will show you how to make, your simple syrup, which I'll also show you how to make, a USA pear. You can use whatever pear you like, but USA tends to be really sweet, so I recommend that, and a lemon. As first off, fresh USA pear. We're going to cut this up into small bits, and we're going to make pear puree out of it. Cut up small bits in the pot. Doesn't matter how small you go, you don't have to go tiny, you can keep them in big chunks like this. Anything a little extra for taste. Enjoy your little snack. Add enough water to cover your pears, and then on the stove it goes. Put this on a high heat and let this come to a boil and continue boiling until it becomes soft. When your pears got pretty soft, get rid of most of the water but keep some of it. After that, you're going to use a food processor, chop it up super small, make a nice puree. I'm using a NutriBullet, so I'm going to pour everything in here. And puree. Or not.
Starting now.
Let's try this again. Is it not pulled in? There we go. Once it's nice and smooth, you're good to go. Put it in the fridge. It'll last maybe a day. For the simple syrup, we are adding 1 part water and 1 part of granulated sugar. And we are just going to bring this to a boil. By the time that happens, hopefully the sugar is melted. If not, just wait till the sugar melts and then you're done. Alright, we've come to a boil. You can see that all the sugar is dissolved. So that means we're good to go. So now that we have all of our ingredients made and ready to go, it's time to finally make the drink. Start with a little ice in your shaker. I don't like too much because I don't like to get it watery. You're going to use 3 ounces of the absolute pears. 1.5 ounces of simple syrup, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and if you don't like your drinks tart, use a little bit less, maybe 3/4. That's what I'm gonna do. And finally, 1 ounce of the pear puree. Shake it up real good. And finally, you're going to strain it. Make sure you strain it into your glass of choice. And for fun, finish with a garnish. And there you go. Pear Martini. Enjoy.